Alright, I was just gonna take a picture, but I want to do a quick video real fast on this beautiful, not so sunshining South Florida day. Alright, so I'm doing a brake job on my truck here, and I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the pad thickness and how much big of a difference it can make when driving. And literally the one on the right, is the brand new one. The other one on the left is the old one. And immediately I noticed that the pedal was a little closer to the ground, if you catch my drift. The pressure wasn't as hard as it was. Then I started hearing this metallic sound when stopping, and then as soon as taking off, it'll go away. Telltale sign of either something's on the rotor, which is this, or about time to get a new brake pad. And again, this is a big old truck. So thank you for your time. Really quick.